You might have heard that a recent Windows update is causing SSD failures and data loss, but Microsoft says there's no evidence to support these claims. After investigating reports from users who experienced issues with their drives after installing the August 2025 Windows 11 24H2 security update, Microsoft found no link between the update and the reported problems. The company worked with storage partners and checked internal data, but saw no spike in disk failures or file corruption. While some users did report trouble with certain SSD models, Microsoft is still collecting details and monitoring feedback. For now, if your drive is over 60% full, it's best to avoid moving large files until more is known. Always check official sources for updates.